Hi everyone, today we're going to review how to set up filters in a store. You can showcase the standard list of filters on the storefront based on product variants, product type or price, among others. To display these filters, assign color, size or any other product variant. Specify the type and vendor for each product in your admin. To determine which filters appear on the storefront, you can operate the Shopify Search and Discovery app. Within this app, you can add filters, remove them, or adjust their position. And these changes will be reflected in the preview. More details about filters you can read by pressing the link redirection. The theme will display the desired filters if you activate the filtering in Collections product grid of the theme editor. All you need is to select the position of the filters on the collection pages using the corresponding drop-down. Here you can notice several options to choose from according to your preferences. The filters will be formed as a list similar to these. However, if you explore the wide demo store, you'll discover the custom filters displayed in the sidebar. The first filter, labeled Product Type, demonstrates filter items as images. The second filter tab exhibits color items, while the last one contains oval buttons. So next we'll review how to get custom filters to appear within the tabs. This task can be completed using the metaobject plus metafields. Thus, to begin customizing filters, go to your Shopify admin, click on Settings, then Custom Data. Here you can create both metafields and metaobjects. For now, let's focus on building a metaobject definition for the first filter that helps to store new data in your admin. Hit the Add Definition button to open the dashboard. From here you can title the definition, specify the type of data the metaobject stores, and add fields related to the metaobject. We'll label the metaobject as image for filter with the auto-generated type and incorporate two fields. The first field will be stored for the plain text only, so the type is going to be set as single line text with one value, entitled as heading. Additionally, this field will match the display name of the filter item indicated by activating the checkbox. Now we can press the Add button to confirm settings, and here's the first field. The second field is dedicated to the image, therefore we need to choose the file type. In the provided pop-up, set the title such as images, ensure that the one file option is selected and accept specific file types with only image formats. Proceed by pressing the Add button. Moreover, don't forget to press the Save button when you are completed. The success message should appear if all the settings are set correctly. We are finished here, and now we will move by adding the metaobject entries. To add a new entry, navigate to Content where the metaobject tab will be automatically utilized. Then select the definition such as image for filter from the list and press the Add Entry button. Create a new entry by defining its title and selecting an image. These are all settings here, therefore press the Save button. Add more filters if necessary depending on the quantity of displayed filter items within the Filter tab. These settings will vary based on the number of tags used for products. We have two more entries to demonstrate the use of them. The outline steps only store data in your admin. To connect custom data with products, establish a metafield. Utilize the top search bar to navigate to the needed page. Simply type the keyword and select the result from the drop-down. Once landing on the open page, press Products, then Add Definition. Use the name field to designate the title of the metafield. Ensure that the metafield operates the Unix system identifier that doesn't conflict with other metafields. In the Select type, indicate that the metafield is a reference to the metaobject with the title image for filter and accepts the list of entries. Once you are ready, click Save. Next, connect the custom data with products, for which go to Products from your admin and select the product. Then link entries using the corresponding meta field. Repeat the same steps to add entries for each product that needs filtering. As noted at the very beginning, the filters are listed on the storefront using the Shopify Search and Discovery app. So to finalize the settings in the admin, select the app from the list and hit the Filters tab to access the desired page. Then press the Add Filter button. In the Source drop-down, scroll down to the product metafields and select the corresponding metafield. In our case, it is the filter image. Then rename the filter if necessary. Otherwise, the filter title will match the metafield title. Below, find the settings to set up the filter behavior. To read more about filter logic, you are allowed to press the Learn More button to navigate to the Help page. Remember to save the settings by pressing the button at the bottom or top of the page. Now that we're ready to review the settings, let's start by heading to the theme editor. Access the online store and press the Customize button next to the theme name. Since the theme editor is already open, we just proceed to navigate to it. To view the collection page, ensure to select the collections template in the top menu selector. On that page, you can notice that the new filter appears in the sidebar. To explore additional options for customizing filter images, go to Theme Settings and open the Filter tab section. Use the grid options to change the number of images set in one line. Next, decide to display images or images with text, operating one of the options in the Image Text Picker. These are all settings to customize the filter with images. Surely you've noticed another setting up here. This option is related to customizing filters as oval buttons. In the tab's input, you can simply type the filter title such as size, and here are the changes. To apply configurations to more filters, use commas, avoiding additional spaces. To set up the color filter as on the demo, proceed with the configuration steps in the admin as described earlier. Create the metaobject definition with the following parameters. Title the metaobject as color for filter. The type will be added automatically. Then add two fields within the definition. The first field should be assigned to single line text listed as the display name and the one value option. The second field will be used for color items, so set the type color with the one value option. Next, add the metaobject entries. In the heading field, type the color name. Use the color picker to set the color from the paint palette or paste the hex code. Proceed by saving the settings. Add as many entries as needed. Continue by adding the meta field associated with the meta object. Use the name field to designate the title of the meta field. The namespace and key will be formed from the title. Then connect the meta field with the specific meta object such as color for filter and define to use the list entries. Next, link meta object entries with products using as many entries as necessary. Finalize the settings using the app. Add a new filter with the source filter color, title the filter and define its logic. Finally, it's time to preview the changes. You can test functionality of filters by pressing items in the tabs. You've now learned how to customize filters to display as on the demo. Thanks for being with the Minion team, and best of luck with the store configurations.